Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will explain to you how to fix an Android phone that won't factory reset in recovery mode. There are many functions in Android recovery mode, which can help you fix some problems quickly and easily. These include common functions such as restart, wipe cache partition, and factory reset. But some users found that they could not factory reset Android phone in recovery mode when trying to restore factory settings in recovery mode, and there was no response or no command recovery mode when selecting factory reset or can't see wipe data/factory reset option in recovery mode on Android phone. How to fix an Android phone that won't factory reset in recovery mode or the factory reset option is not displayed in recovery mode. Don't panic, this video will tell you how to fix wipe data/factory reset option not available on Android phone recovery mode. Please watch patiently and try all the methods in the video. This video is suitable for mobile phone models including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, HTC. Why is wipe data/factory reset not available in Android phone recovery mode? Common reasons why an Android phone cannot be factory reset in recovery mode are usually due to the following situations. 1. Superuser access is denied or terminated when the Android operating system is updated. 2. System crash or ROM damage. The damage of system files may cause the recovery mode to fail to execute the corresponding instructions normally. 3. Hardware failure. If the motherboard, flash chip, USB interface is faulty or damaged, it may also cause can't factory reset Android phone in recovery mode. 4. Lack of factory reset option, which is usually caused by security features or policies that disable factory reset or problems with your recovery system. Without further ado, please continue to watch below to get the solution to factory reset won't work in Android phone recovery mode. Please patiently try the following simple and quick solutions to fix factory reset won't work in Android phone recovery mode. Each method is crucial, please do not miss or skip a method. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. The steps for entering recovery mode for Samsung phones in the video are to connect the phone to the computer with a USB cable and then turn off the phone. After shutting down, press and hold the power button and the volume down button for 10 to 15 seconds until you enter recovery mode. Method 1 is to force restart the device. When you encounter any problem, the first thing you should think of is to force restart your Android device. If it is caused by some temporary faults, a forced restart may eliminate these faults and restore the device to normal operation. So when Android phone recovery mode wipe data/factory reset not working occurs, please try to force restart your Android device first. Now please follow my steps to try. To force restart your device, long press the combination of the phone's force restart keys. The combination of the Samsung phone force restart keys in the video is the power button and the volume down button. Please press and hold the combination of your phone's force restart keys for 10 to 15 seconds. When the phone brand logo appears on the screen, you can let go, and then your phone will automatically restart. The Android phone will enter the home screen normally, and you can try to enter the recovery mode again to restore the factory settings. Of course, if you are in recovery mode now, you can also directly select the restart option in recovery mode to restart the Android device. Method 2 is to wipe the cache partition. Android creates and saves temporary files to perform certain tasks. These are mainly stored in the system cache partition. If a forced restart or reboot doesn't work, you can try to wipe the cache partition, which will delete all temporary files stored on the phone to fix unable to select wipe data/factory reset in recovery mode. If no wipe option in Android phone recovery mode menu, you can also fix it through this solution. To wipe the cache partition on your Android phone, use the volume down button to select the wipe cache partition option and press the power button to select it. After that, use the volume down button again to select yes and press the power button again to confirm. After waiting for a few seconds, the option to restart the system now will appear. Please press the power button to confirm. After the phone has finished restarting, enter the recovery mode again to see if the problem of no factory reset option in Android phone recovery mode is solved. Method 3 is to ask for help. If the problem of no wipe data/factory reset option in recovery mode on Android phone still exists, it may be a corrupted ROM or hardware failure. Another case is that there is no factory reset option at all in the recovery mode, and you may be helpless about it. In this case, you can only take your phone to the official after-sales service center and let the technicians help you check and fix the can't reset Android phone because no option in recovery mode problem. Today's video ends here. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think we need to improve, you can also tell us your opinions and suggestions in the comment area. Thank you. Wish you good luck.